Guys, this could be the end of me. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm very depressed. But here's the crib. It is 2 rooms. Actually, I'll start over here. Come inside. This door is literally like an outside door, and you can hear everything outside. There's a couch, kitchen, bathroom. Colby's naked in there.
Like I still got half the bathroom to redo, and I work 6 days a week.
That is leaking.
And I really need to put the air
On the
conditioner
ground.
So I just don't have
60 degrees in that room and 80 degrees out here. Where's my brush?
It's in the bathroom.
Alright.
I barely use it. It doesn't work there anymore.
Yeah.
I'll just have to buy one more.
This is the outside. Very, very caged in. Alright. I want the door closed. I can't even close the door. Colby, I broke the door. I can't close it.